ECopti EC Cloud Setting Tutorial. Tutorial video number 50. ECopti. How the ECopti works. ECopti is an advanced optimization algorithm designed to maximize the profitability of your battery energy storage system, BESS, by leveraging electricity price signals. These prices can be based on daily energy market spot prices, tariffs, or a combination of both. ECopti offers two operating modes, which are arbitrage mode and self-consumption mode. Arbitrage mode focused on maximizing profit by charging the BESS when electricity prices are low and discharging when prices are high. This service is available free of charge. Self-consumption mode designed to minimize electricity costs by forecasting future PV generation and load consumption. Using this information together with electricity price data, ECopti optimizes storage and usage to reduce overall energy expenses. This mode requires a license. ECopti configuration. Tariff can be set either on the ECPVX device or through the EC Cloud platform. How to configure tariff in the ECPVX controller. Navigate to the Settings category and open the Grid setting. To edit tariff information, you need to navigate to the Tariff Editing. Here you will find a list of supported spot price markets. Select the relevant market area and choose one of the following options: spot price only, or tariffs only, or spot price and tariffs. You should also select the appropriate exchange rate scale. The spot prices and/or tariffs are automatically downloaded from the EC Cloud and used by the ECopti algorithm. Please note that fixed tariff settings will be disregarded when you use online tariff. Under the References section, ECopti must be enabled in either arbitrage mode or self-consumption mode. Using the navigation arrows, you can configure the following parameters: charge cost for your BESS, whether PV export to the grid is allowed, whether BESS export to the grid is allowed, whether importing from the grid to charge the BESS is allowed. How to configure tariff and spot price in the EC Cloud. Log into your EC Cloud account. Then go to the Admin section. Select the site you want to configure. Navigate to the Choose Admin topic. There you have to find and click Spot Price and Tariff Configuration. Toggling the switch button that changes from disabled to enabled. Then select your spot price market. Open the Tariff section to edit tariff settings. Enable or disable the tariff as needed. Refer to the remarks in the description for guidance on enabling or disabling tariffs. The local currency is defined by the settings in the ECPVX controller. Edit the hourly import and export tariffs. Check the notes under the description for additional guidance. If needed, copy tariff settings from one site to another using the tariff export function. Save your configuration to apply the changes. How to do the ECopti configuration on the EC Cloud. Log into your EC Cloud account. Navigate to the admin area, select the desired site. Select ECopti configuration. ECopti has two modes of operations: arbitrage mode and self-consumption mode. Arbitrage mode free of charge. In this mode, PV is not considered. The BESS is allowed to charge from and discharge to the grid. Self-consumption mode requires an ECopti license. Please contact the ECopti sales team if you wish to acquire one. Configure whether PV is allowed to export to the grid. Define whether the BESS may charge from and/or discharge to the grid. Under PV settings, specify if an irradiation sensor is installed at the site. For optimal performance, an irradiation sensor is strongly recommended. Enable PV inverter control to allow ECopti to handle PV curtailment in cases where exporting is not permitted. You can also edit the parameters of your BESS. Once all settings are configured, save your changes. You must aware that ECopti configuration made in ECCloud does not change the setup in the ECPVX controller. Both systems must be configured identically to ensure that ECCloud provides accurate predictions of plant behavior, expenses, and profit. How to monitor the readings of the ECopti in the EC web. Open the monitoring and navigate to grid. And again click the graph symbol. You'll see all the ECopti data there. Use the up and down arrows to explore the various data categories. Click the blue icon, you'll find different data categories for ECopti prediction and measurement there. How to access the ECopti data in the ECCloud. Open the ECCloud and select the intended site, then go to the service option at the top and click to open it. From the drop-down list, select ECopti. You will now see a range of ECopti data, allowing you to compare actual measurements with the corresponding predictions generated by the ECopti algorithm. This data will be visualized in graphs form at the end of the page. For example, the graph on the right side illustrates the correlation between the predicted state of charge and measured state of charge of the battery percentage over the selected period. Thank you for watching the video. This video presented by ECopti. For more information, please visit our website www.ecombi.com.